Well folks, this is how the garage look like now at this point. It's still pretty messy. But the idea here, guys, is to start working on getting everything installed in the proper location. Now it's about time to get started with my work area here, my toolbox and my workbench. As you see the other video, the utility sink has been installed in the process. So, and it's time to get clean up here. Basically, there's too much stuff going on here for sure. It's a lot cleaner than last time, but definitely we got to get this place cleaned up here soon so it looks nice. Anyways, if you guys are wondering again, I got lots of comments in terms of what is this plastic bag or tarp that I have laid out here. Mainly, the plan is that I'm putting the epoxy here in the next few months when the summer gets better. When the weather gets better, that is. And so I laid this out here just to protect the floor as much as I can, because I don't want any of that dirt and grinds, road stains or anything like that on the floor. So it's just a little easier to clean up once I'm ready to put the epoxy in. So anyways, stay tuned, guys. As usual, the garage is it's a total mess at this point. The golf bars is just sitting pretty in the third bay. Can't really get things going with the lift at this point, given that I got to get the floor done first. And still looking for a good deal on my furnace, and working with a few companies there to see if I can get some sponsorship in the process. So anyway, stay tuned, guys. Till next time, thank you for watching. Again, please subscribe, like my videos, and as always, check back to you in a bit. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this will do for now. Until next time, peace out.